हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, तो यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं कि फिट है मेरे पास क्लास 9 की। आज हम उसमें लेसन नंबर 2 करेंगे, यूनिट 2। तो आइए चलिए करते हैं यूनिट 2 के क्वेश्चन आंसर को सॉल्व। यूनिट 2 है फिजिकल फिटनेस, जिसके क्वेश्चन आंसर यहाँ पर हैं। आइए चलिए करते हैं स्टार्ट। तो पहला क्वेश्चन है यहाँ पर, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय फिजिकल फिटनेस। आंसर होगा, ये वेरी शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर है। फिजिकल फिटनेस इज द एबिलिटी टू परफॉर्म डेली एक्टिविटीज विद ऑप्टिमल परफॉर्मेंस, स्ट्रेंथ एंड एंड्योरेंस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय एंड्योरेंस। एंड्योरेंस इज द एबिलिटी टू रिपीट अ series of muscle contraction without fatigue. Muscular endurance or stamina is ability of body system to process, deliver, store and utilize energy. Question third है, enlist the component of physical fitness. Physical fitness can be classified in 5 components: speed, strength, endurance, flexibility and coordinative ability. Question 4 है, define speed. The ability to move quickly across the ground or move limbs rapidly to grab or throw. Speed is the ability to perform a movement in a short period. Then short question answer पर आ जाते हैं। Briefly explain any 2 component of physical fitness. Answer होगा, 2 components are strength. Strength is recognized as the ability to exert force, typically measured in the amount of weight a person can lift. Then second, flexibility. Flexibility refers to the range of motion in a joint or group of joints. Question 2 है, briefly explain the meaning and concept of physical fitness. Answer होगा, physical fitness is considered a measure of the body's ability to function efficiently and effectively in work and leisure activities, to be healthy, to resist hypokinetic diseases and to meet emergency situations. Fitness is the ability of the individual to live a healthy, satisfying, useful and more productive life. लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन है, एक्सप्लेन द कंपोनेंट ऑफ फिजिकल फिटनेस इन डिटेल्स। तो यहाँ पर ऑलरेडी 4 जो कंपोनेंट है उनको पीछे डिटेल में बताया जा चुका है, तो आप वहाँ से याद कर लेंगे। एक लास्ट बचता है, कोऑर्डिनेट एबिलिटी। तो उसको यहाँ पे डिटेल में मैं कर रही हूँ। कोऑर्डिनेशन इज अ स्किल दैट रिक्रूट द सेंसेस सच एज sight and hearing in conjunction with body parts to perform tasks accurately and with efficiency of movement. Question 2 है, explain the development of physical fitness through games and sports. Answer होगा, sport is a human activity that involve specific administration, organization and historical backgrounds of rule which define the object and limit the pattern of human behavior. उसके बाद पॉइंट वाइज हम लिखते जाएंगे। Games and sports are an integral part of school education. Education will remain incomplete without physical training and exercise. Second point होगा, healthy mind can be found only in a healthy body. In a weak body there cannot be a healthy and active mind. Third है, without physical exercise our body will grow weak, lethargic and dull. Fourth, proper physical exercise in the form of games and sport develop many mental problems. Then next point है, good health and sound body are also a must to face the challenges of life. These teach us how to cooperate with one another and achieve success. Last point होगा, sports and games along with education prepare us to stand up and face the challenges of life. यहाँ पर आपका ये लेसन होता है कंप्लीट।